Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to talk about what skills you need to add on or you need to learn in order to become more and more fluent and confident in speaking in English and ultimately to become successful in life. There are lots of opportunities, there are lots of things which are there which you can combine with your schedule, which will help you to become more confident and fluent in speaking in English. And apart from that, it will help you to add on new skills and upgrade yourself to become successful in life. So that is why we all need to keep a tap on the market, the industry you belong to, the profession you belong to. You need to keep a tap on the market, what is happening in the market. Plus, if you are a student, you know what you want to do, right? If you're an engineering graduate or, you are a commerce student or an art student or a science student, whatever, you know what you want to get into. So at that time also, you need to focus on what is happening in the respective fields so that you keep yourself upgraded at par with others to grab the right opportunity along with speaking in English. Now, once you have all the knowledge, all the skill sets, you know everything, it will help you to boost your confidence and it will help you to become more fluent and conversant in English. So that is what I'm going to talk about in today's session. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach or English coach or English trainer, and I'm going to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But for that, you have to subscribe my channel. You have to like and share my videos as much as you can so that people can get maximum benefit out of it. And don't forget to press the notification icon as well so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire content to master this skill. And what I usually do is I come up with more of practice sessions which can help you to practice English speaking on general, basic, conversational, everyday, day-to-day, daily topics. Right? You can take one video and you can start practicing at a stretch for 30 days to see the improvement. So every single day you can pick up one video of mine and you can start speaking about it. Right? Now let's get started. So I'll start with this example of mine, what I did this weekend. So this weekend I just made it a point that I'm going to learn some new softwares. Right? So you all know AI is there in the market, big time. Everybody is talking about AI. People are scared. People are happy. They don't know what is the future of AI or what is the future of their jobs because everybody want to be upgraded and everybody is scared that, they might lose their job just because of the AI. Right? Because AI is replacing humans everywhere. And you might have heard this news a lot. Everywhere there are talks about this. So people are scared about losing their jobs as well. Right? So that is why I just thought of learning a software, and when I started getting some idea or trying to gain some idea about what to select, what to do, so I took help of Copilot, and Copilot gave me a list of softwares which can help me to learn new things in my field. Right? I'm talking about my field. You can take help from Copilot to talk about your field or to know about your field. Now, there I got to know there are lots of AI softwares which are there in the market which are free of cost and I can start using those softwares immediately. I was very excited. I thought of learning something new and I made sure that this weekend I'm going to stay back home and I'm going to learn something new. So I downloaded one of the softwares, which is an AI software, and I started, exploring it. And initially, I was a little lost. I was not very sure what it's going to help me, how it's going to help me. So I started searching to know more about it. So I just kind of did a little homework, on Copilot, on ChatGPT, on simple Google search, and I got a lot of ideas, right? And I took help from a lot of tutorials also. And then finally I thought of using it. So when I opened the software and I saw how to use it, how is the interface, what all things I can use, what all things are there for me to use, and how I can explore those. So I started initially getting into it, and with the help of Chat GPT and Copilot and other tutorials, I got some ideas. So on the basis of that idea, I started exploring this software. And trust me on this, for working hard for 2 days, I got to understand or I got to use that software. I learned to use that software. And it was so easy, and it's really good. I need to explore more. Of course, 2 days are not enough to understand each and everything, but I at least try to understand the basics and I'm able to use it. So I was very happy and I was very satisfied with the efforts I put in to learn this new skill. Now, why I gave this example to you, I'm going to tell you. Now guys, just knowing English, just speaking good English will not help you. You should have knowledge as well, right? About what is happening. If AI is replacing everything, we need to know what it is replacing, or what is that in my job it has replaced, or what is the potential of it to replace in my job, right? And we need to know that, and we need to start upgrading ourselves. We need to start learning that, as I learned that skill. Now, after doing 2 days of training, I am sure I can speak about it. Now, being fluent in English, I can definitely start speaking about it, and I can definitely start exploring new areas in my field, right? Now, if you start doing that, you will also start knowing things about it, and it will help you to speak about it. It will help you to express yourself. It will help you to provide knowledge to others, to speak about it with others, right? And if you're looking for a job, if you're a student, definitely it's going to help you to grow in your career. So that is why adding a new skill which can help you along with English speaking practice is definitely going to help you to become successful in life. And if you start exploring those skills, new skills, you will gain knowledge about that, right? You'll get to know a lot of new things about AI. And once you start getting to know things about AI, you will be excited. You will be, happy to share that information with others. And if you start exploring that, if you start talking about it, it will definitely make you more confident and fluent in expressing yourself or in having a conversation with you. And it is something which is very new in the market, and everybody wants to talk about it. So you will have an upper edge. You will be at par with people. You will be above everybody. And that thing matters. Exactly. And that is why I've chosen this topic. I want to motivate you guys to pick up one skill which you can add to your personality, to your academics or profession, so that you will have an upper hand with respect to others. And people will give more importance to you. They will provide new opportunities to you, and you will get to grab new opportunities, and you will get to be more knowledgeable and get more practical training, and you will get to become successful in life. So that is why you have to plan everything. That is why it is the right time to plan everything. You have to plan your career, you have to plan your professional life, you have to plan your future, everything. So this one thing, adding one skill, will help you to become more confident, more fluent, and more successful in life. Right? This is the first thing. Second thing is you need to be more creative. Right? Now, what is AI? AI is all about creativity, guys. All about how people have imagined to, actually put a human brain into a machine. That's what AI is, right? It is talking to you. It is helping you in every field. It is solving all the problems related to coding, related to anything and everything. That is why it is replacing humans. So basically, a human brain is put in machines, in short, in layman's language. So it's all about creativity. if machines can be so creative, why can't we? Our brain, we have natural brains, right? We are those people. I mean, the machines are coded, right? They have been coded or given prompts and then they speak or then they talk to us. But we have that creativity, we have that brain that we can listen and we can respond. We have emotional intelligence, we have sixth sense, we have a lot of other things which can help us to compete with machines, with AI. So that is one thing which you need to pick up and you need to develop in your personality. This is another thing. So I'm talking about a soft skill here, not a hard skill, which I've spoken about. A soft skill we need to add on, whether it is a leadership quality, something good in marketing, something new in marketing, or an emotional intelligence or negotiation power, etc. So there are lots of soft skills available, right? So you need to just, pick up one soft skill which is necessary for your profession, for your field, and start developing that, guys. Yes, it is very important. Otherwise, you will fall behind. In spite of speaking good English, it will be very difficult for you to compete with the world right now because the world is changing. Everything is becoming very, volatile, and it's changing every minute, every second. Trust me on this. So one hard skill and one soft skill you have to pick up which can help you in your profession, in your field. Okay, every field has something unique to offer, right? A marketing professional needs to develop sales pitch, right? Or need to be creative enough to come up with a good campaign or a good, sales idea or sales pitch, whatever, right? Likewise, there are lots of professions we need. Every profession, I feel, in my opinion, needs creativity, right? So you need to develop some things, one soft skill which can help you to be more creative, more, valuable in that field. Once you achieve that, right? Now, how will you achieve that? You have to develop the skills. You have to start taxing your brain. You have to be a little creative about it, right? How you can develop this in yourself and how you can become ahead of people. So that one soft skill, if you can start picking up and you start developing yourself, will help you a lot in this age. So this is another thing which you need to develop, add on to your personality, to yourself, to become successful in life, along with speaking good English. And another thing, if you develop this soft skill, definitely you'll get a lot of new ideas. You will get a lot of new things to do to develop these skills. Now here you can practice in English. You can read a lot, you can study a lot about it, you can start practicing how you can develop these things. There are lots of things you can do in English to develop your personality, right? You can start speaking about it, you can start reading about it, you can start discussing things about it, right? So there are lots of avenues which will open, and with that skill you can start improving your English fluency and confidence also. And once you develop that skill, definitely you will be confident and fluent in English and in life as well, right? So this is another skill set which you need to add along with your English speaking to become successful in life or in your job, right? Now the question is, how do we know what is important for us? How do we select one skill, or how do we select one hard skill which we need to develop? Guys, it has become very easy. I have spoken about tools like Copilot, ChatGPT. Okay, so these are the tools which can help you to search for that one thing which can help you to become successful in life. I have used these two tools to know what software I can use in my profession which will add value to my work, right? Or add value in my field. So I searched on Copilot, I took help from ChatGPT, I took help from Google search, and I got to know a list of softwares which is available in the market which is related to AI. I started exploring them. I saw a lot of tutorials also. I got to know a lot about it from Copilot also individually as well. And then I shortlisted 2-3. And after shortlisting those 2-3, then I downloaded one to start with. So this is how I started out with. In the same way, you can also start taking help of Copilot. You can start taking help of ChatGPT. You can start taking help of Google search. And of course, Google search, when you do, Gemini helps you. So that is also an AI. So you will get a lot of information from everywhere. It's just that you have to see what can help you or what is convenient for you, right? Everything is there in one place. You'll get a list, but you have to shortlist that, right? With your convenience, which I did. You can also start shortlisting and pick up one hard skill which you can learn. And second, same with the soft skills. What are the soft skills available, or required for this job or this profession? You can just type and you'll get the answer from AIs, different AIs, Copilot, Gemini, or ChatGPT. And then you can get to know more details about it. What you want to learn. Whichever you are interested in, just shortlist one. You can learn 2-3 skills also. You can just develop those, start developing those skills, but one at a time. Start doing one thing at a time, right? And definitely you are going to be successful in life along with speaking in English. Basically, what I want to tell here is, of course, English is important, but you have to learn new soft skills and new hard skills also to be in the market or to be in the competition, because it is a very competitive world. As I told you, it's a very volatile. Every second it is changing. A lot of AI tools have come into the market and that is also changing, right? So that is why you have to upgrade yourself. You have to learn things which can help you to become successful in life. So that is why start learning these things, start discussing about it, start talking about it, so that you can be confident in your profession, you can be confident in speaking, and you can be confident in knowing and telling what you know. So it will help you in both ways, in your profession, learning things, and it will help you to become more confident in speaking about it in English, of course, right? So that is why if you want to be successful in life, start following my advice. Start doing this right now from today. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care. And do let me know which soft skill or which hard skill you want to learn